Where do you work? At a hospital. Do you like reading? Yes, I do. Can you cook? A little bit. Are you tired? Yes, very tired. Do you watch TV? Sometimes, yes. What's your hobby? I like painting. How is your day? It's good, thanks. Have you any plans? Not yet, no. What's your phone number? It's 555-1234. Do you have a car? Yes, a red car. Do you like coffee? No, I don't. What's your favorite movie? Titanic is great. Where's your bag? On the table. Do you speak Spanish? No, I don't. Can you dance? Yes, I can. Do you have a book? Yes, right here. Is it far? Not too far. What's your favorite animal? I like dogs. Do you need help? Yes, please help me. Where's your hat? In my bag. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I loved it. What's your favorite fruit? Apples are good. Are you busy? Not right now. Can you sing? A little bit. What's your favorite book? Harry Potter series. Do you have a pen? Yes, here you go. Do you like to travel? Yes, very much. Where's the nearest ATM? I am not sure. Do you have a computer? Yes, a laptop. What's your favorite season? I like spring. Are you feeling well? I am a bit sick. Do you play sports? I play soccer. Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can. What's your favorite place? The beach is nice. Do you like shopping? Yes, I do. Are you a morning person? Not really. What's your favorite holiday? Christmas is great. Do you have a favorite teacher? Yes, Mr. Smith. What's your favorite drink? I like tea. Can you play a musical instrument? I play guitar. What's your favorite flower? I like roses. Do you have any allergies? Yes, to peanuts. What's your favorite dessert? Chocolate cake. Do you have a watch? No, I don't. What's your favorite color for clothes? I like black. Are you a vegetarian? No, I am not. Do you like spicy food? No, it's too hot. What's your favorite subject? I like math. Do you have a favorite actor? I like Tom Hanks. Can you swim in the ocean? Yes, I can. What's your favorite board game? I like chess.